Good evening, sir and ma'am. My topic is pharmacology and pharmacotherapeutics of ecbolics. Definition of ecbolics. Ecbolics are drugs which stimulate the contraction of uterus and helps in the expansion of its contents when used to induce labor. These agents are called oxytocin or ecbolic agent. When used to induce abortion, they called abortifacients. Clinical uses: postpartum hemorrhage to hasten uterine involution, to remove retained placenta, to aid in clearance of uterine discharge, for agalexia due to failure of milk letdown in all species, used only if cervix is not fully dilated. Classification: ecbolics can classified in three groups: posterior pituitary hormones and analogs oxytocin, pituitary extract and carbotocin, ergot alkaloids argometrin argonovine, methyl argometrin, prostaglandin and analog prostaglandin E2, prostaglandin F2 alpha, misoprostol and cloprostenol. Oxytocin effect: octapeptide hormone released in response to signals from the genital tract and mammary gland to the hypothalamus. Uterine contraction, milk ejection, facilitate the transport of sperm in the female reproductive tract. Therapeutic uses of oxytocin: induce labor, reverse uterine inertia post maturity, treat agalexia through stimulation of milk ejection, but its efficiency is low, retain placenta 30 to 50 units IM, repeat breeder 5 to 10 units IM, milk letdown 5 to 10 units IM. Preparation: pitocin 5 IU oblique 0.5 ml AMP, syntocinon 5 IU oblique 1 m AMP, rapid onset of action and a short half-life. Following IM administration, the uterus responds generally within 3 to 5 minutes, and after IV administration, the response is immediate. Carbetocin, synthetic analog of oxytocin, which has a much longer half-life than oxytocin. Similar to oxytocin, it stimulates contraction of estrogen sensitive myometrium and may be useful in dystocia due to secondary uterine inertia. Ergot alkaloids, argometrin argonovine. It causes prolonged contraction of smooth muscle including the myometrium and blood vessels. Uses: induction of uterine involution, postpartum hemorrhage, expansion of placenta. The doses are administered orally in dogs 0.2 mg, IM to mares 1 to 3 mg, PO or IM in cow 10 to 20 mg. Adverse effect: overdose cause CNS excitation, muscle weakness, vomition in dog, hypertension, hypoglycemia through PIR. Prostaglandin analog: prostaglandin E2, prostaglandin F2 alpha, misoprostol, cloprostenol. Prostaglandin causes functional and morphological regression of CL, strong vasoconstriction, blood supply, luteolysis, large reduction of progesterone synthesis, strong oxytocin effect in mares. It is found in ovary and myometrium and important role in estrous cycle, conception, pregnancy and parturition, potent uterine stimulant. Preparation: there are two types of analog, natural analog and synthetic analog. Natural analog: luteolysis in bracket dinopost, tromethamine 5 mg oblique ml, 10 ml, 30 ml vial. Synthetic analog: estromate in bracket cloprostenol 263 μg oblique ml, 4 ml vial. Vetmate in bracket Vetcare cloprostenol 263 μg oblique ml, 2 ml vial. Pregma in bracket Intas in bracket cloprostenol 263 μg oblique ml, 2 ml vial. The doses in cattle 0.5 mg. Induction: induction of ovulation, synchronization of estrus, termination of pregnancy, induction of parturition, persistent CL, mummified fetus, pyometra, luteal cyst, embryo transfer. Then contraindication. It should not be used during pregnancy unless termination is required in bronchoconstrictive respiratory disease, example asthma. The reference. Here are the names of some reference books from which I can learn about my topics. Thank you.